Welcome, Cosmic Kindreds. In this video, Cancer season predictions for all 12 signs, we're diving into the sacred waters of Cancer, the Zodiac's intuitive mother, and what this emotional tide means for your love life, career, and personal growth. Whether you're a sensitive Cancer or just feeling the shift, I'll walk you through which signs are most impacted, what energies to embrace, and how to ride the waves of this deeply nurturing season with grace and power. Stay tuned. You're going to want to hear how these transits affect you. Cancer season is almost here, and the sun is moving into the sign of the Sacred Heart. When the sun enters Cancer, it draws our collective focus inward, toward home, emotional security, intuitive guidance, and connection to our roots. Cancer is ruled by the moon, so this energy is cyclical, reflective, and often deeply personal. The spotlight shifts from outward ambition to inner nurturing. This transit invites us to slow down and ask, where do you feel most at home within yourself? Whether you're craving more time with loved ones or reconnecting with childhood dreams, Cancer season pulls at the heartstrings. The collective consciousness becomes more sentimental, empathetic, and perhaps more reactive. Emotions can run high, but so can healing. This is the time for emotional renewal, spiritual anchoring, and creative flow, especially through journaling, meditating, or energy healing. If you've felt out of sync or overstimulated, Cancer season is your invitation to soften, feel, and come home to yourself. And to support you on that journey, I've created a free meditation tracker designed to deepen your spiritual connection during high energy seasons like this. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about how this Cancerian wave transforms the way we love, work, and grow. Cancer governs the emotional body, meaning this season spotlights heart-centered communication in love, emotional intelligence in career, and soul-deep transformation in personal growth. In love, expect a desire for emotional safety and authentic connection. Relationships could feel more intense, yes, even dramatic, but this depth can lead to incredible healing and intimacy. In career, people seek purpose, not just productivity. Team dynamics may get more emotional, so boundaries are key, but creative fields or soul-led entrepreneurs could thrive during this time. In personal growth, Cancer season nurtures your inner child. Shadow work, inner reparenting, and spiritual rituals will be especially potent. This isn't a time to push, it's a time to flow. Honor your inner rhythms, and you'll discover a deeper well of strength and insight. Which signs are feeling this Cancerian shift the most this season? Spoiler alert, if you're a cardinal sign, you're in the front row. Cancer season especially impacts the cardinal signs: Cancer, Capricorn, Aries, and Libra. The water signs and earth signs in general will feel the waves in uniquely transformative ways. Cancer sun, moon, or rising, this is your solar return, a personal new year. Expect emotional breakthroughs and renewed clarity. Capricorn, with the sun opposing your sign, relationships come into sharp focus. Balance your emotional needs with practical demands. Aries and Libra, you're navigating tension between independence and vulnerability. Growth comes through heart-led conversations. Pisces and Scorpio, fellow water signs, this is your time to create, connect, and intuit. Use this energy to deepen your magic. Taurus and Virgo, grounded earth signs, you'll find comfort in nesting, healing, and building something meaningful. No matter your sign, Cancer season offers a cosmic reset, but those mentioned will feel it like a full body wave. Let it cleanse, not drown you. And don't forget, you can download my free meditation tracker to stay anchored and intentional through it all. Links in the bio. This Cancer season isn't acting alone. However, the stars have backup. The Sun in Cancer teams up with powerful planetary aspects that influence how we experience its emotional tides. Saturn in Pisces forms a harmonious trine with Cancer, offering structure to your dreams. You're being asked to commit to your emotional truth. Neptune in Pisces adds a mystical layer. Intuition is heightened, but so is escapism. Stay grounded with spiritual practices. Pluto retrograde in Aquarius invites us to reflect on our desires and choices, encourages introspection about our motivation. With the new moon in Cancer, it's a beautiful time for setting heartfelt intentions around home, healing, and inner peace. These cosmic players are here to support your emotional evolution, not sabotage it. Awareness is your superpower. So, what can each sign expect this Cancer season? Let's do a cosmic roll call. These are the overarching themes you may notice as the Sun travels through Cancer from June 20th to July 22nd. Aries, emotional maturity in relationships is your theme. Taurus, focus on home projects and body wellness. Gemini, think new depth in communication and self-expression. Cancer, here's your big glow up, spiritually and physically. Leo, release what no longer supports your spirit. Virgo, seek emotional clarity in friendships. Libra, align career goals with your soul path. Scorpio, allow spiritual awakening through daily rituals. Sagittarius, focus on vulnerability in partnerships. Capricorn, seek healing for any childhood wounds. Aquarius, rework your routines to support emotional well-being. Pisces, you have fertile ground for creative or romantic pursuits. Trust these nudges. They're guiding you to more authenticity and alignment. The more emotionally honest you are, the more powerful this season becomes for transformation. Finally, Cancer season is here to cradle you, cleanse you, and to connect you with what matters most. Let your intuition lead, and don't resist the waves. They're here to help you grow. And remember, your spiritual practice is your anchor, so be sure to grab the free meditation tracker below to support you all season long. Now that you know about the Sun in Cancer with the predictions for all 12 signs, you might be wondering what is in the cards for you. But how do you find that out? It starts by watching one of these videos next, because when you pair what you just learned with this playlist, it's much more powerful. Until next time, keep your vibe high and your heart in harmony.